Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving into the top 7 best cordless vacuum cleaners in the US for 2025. Cutting-edge tech, powerful suction, and innovative features. Finding the perfect balance of performance, battery life, and design can be tough. We've tested them all so you don't have to. Stay tuned to see which models made the cut. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize Cordless Vacuum. This beast is designed for larger homes and those heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Right off the bat, you'll notice Dyson's signature design language. Sleek, futuristic, and screams I mean business. We're talking about Dyson's most powerful motor yet, with advanced dust detection that automatically adjusts suction power based on the mess it senses. And with a larger dustbin than previous models, you can tackle those marathon cleaning sessions without constantly stopping to empty it. Plus, its extra-wide cleaner head covers more ground in a single pass, a game-changer for larger homes. Coming in at number 6 is the LG Cord Zero A949. LG might not be the first name you think of for vacuums, but this one's a contender. The A949 boasts impressive suction power, rivaling top brands. It picks up fine dust and larger debris on both hard floors and carpets. Packed with attachments, it tackles any cleaning task. Sliding into the number 5 spot is another powerhouse from Dyson, the Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum. The Gen 5 Detect boasts Dyson's most powerful suction yet, making quick work of even the most embedded dirt and debris. And with up to 70 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home on a single charge. No need for those mid-clean battery anxiety attacks. The Gen 5 Detect takes it to the next level, illuminating dust particles you can't even see with the naked eye, so you know you're getting a truly deep clean. Landing in our number 4 spot is the Shark Cordless Power Detect Clean and Empty System. Shark has really stepped up their game in the cordless vacuum market, and this model is a testament to that. First and foremost, the suction power on this thing is no joke. It effortlessly lifts dirt and debris from both hard floors and carpets, leaving your home feeling cleaner than ever. But what really sets this Shark apart is its self-emptying system. Once you're done cleaning, simply dock the vacuum and watch as it automatically empties the dustbin into the base station. At number 3, we have the Dyson V15 Detect. This vacuum is a beast in every sense of the word. It features Dyson's most powerful motor yet, a laser dust detection system that illuminates hidden dust, and advanced filtration that captures allergens and expels cleaner air. Seriously, this thing is like a breath of fresh air for your home, literally. The V15 Detect also comes with a range of attachments to tackle any cleaning task, from upholstery to hard-to-reach crevices. And with up to 60 minutes of runtime, you'll have plenty of juice to get the job done. Coming in at number 2 is the Samsung Jet 90. Samsung has been killing it in the tech game for years, and now they're bringing their A-game to the cordless vacuum market. The Jet 90 is packed with high-end features that make cleaning a breeze. We're talking about a powerful digital inverter motor that delivers impressive suction power, multiple attachments for tackling any cleaning task, and an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. You can either charge the vacuum directly or pop in a spare battery for double the cleaning time. Our top pick for the best cordless vacuum cleaner of 2025 is the Tineco Pure One S11. It offers powerful suction, long battery life, and innovative features at an affordable price. The iLoop smart sensor technology adjusts suction power based on dirt levels. This ensures a deep clean and conserves battery life, offering up to 40 minutes of runtime. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for tight spaces. And there you have it, folks. Our picks for the top 7 best cordless vacuum cleaners of 2025. Whether you're looking for the most powerful suction, the longest battery life, or the smartest features, there's a vacuum on this list for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Now, it's your turn. Let us know in the comments down below which of these cordless vacuum cleaners you're most excited about. Are you Team Dyson, Team LG, or Team Tineco? Let's hear it.